killed your first bee. Go, Jason, run over.
What is it?
In front of Eric, look.
Oh.
You ran it over?
I just want to see it.
Why you did that?
Crushed him.
Why?
I never see.
You're supposed to be good to little animals. Oh my God.
That was a bee. Bee.
He just finished the job. You finishing the job?
Power wheel.
Oh, he knows what he's doing. He's trying to reverse on it.
It's sticky.
You trying to finish the job?
Go, Yang.
What is that?
Let me see it.
Oh, you missed.
Let me see.
You got it.
Yeah?
Let me see. Let me see.
Look at this guy. Terrible. Terrible.
The other scooter, I want to get
Broke
it
him.
250
I
already.
broke him.
The other one's like one.
Look at that. I broke him.
No.
I broke him a lot of times.
Oh my God, a lot of times.
He's dead. Look, I see his head. Yeah. Cross it. Let me cross his head off.
Crushing his head off too? You don't think he had enough?
Yeah.
I think he's gone.
He's dead. Killed him. Look at him.
Damn, kid, you rough.